Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's short and snappy video I'm going to show you how to water marble your nails. It really is super easy. I am going to show you how to do this without any specific tools, only some household items you might have already laying around the house. So you want to start off with a clean nail, apply a base coat and go in with your favorite white nail polish. I always go in with a white layer first, so the colors really pop. So I'm just going to use some polishes by Essence. This one is a purple one called Creating Memories. Then I have a dark pinkish red, which is called Thank Goodness. And the yellow one is actually one of my faves, but because it has a metallic print on there, it was kind of hard to focus on it. But this one is a Mrs. Brightside, and I really love this color. But you really have to make sure to apply a good base coat before, because it is a staining nail polish. Then you're also going to need some tape. This can be Scotch tape, but I just had the regular clear tape. And you want to apply this around the nail itself, so you don't have much cleanup work to do afterwards. Of course, you can skip this part if you don't mind the hassle of cleaning up afterwards, but this is just really handy. And this regular tape, everyone has a little roll of tape lying around the house. So I just go around the finger and also applying an extra little piece of tape on more towards the cuticle area, just to make sure I don't have the hassle of cleaning up in the cuticle area, because nail polish goes everywhere, as you guys might know. Then you want to take a bowl of water. I just have my regular glass bowl. I have boiled this water on forehand. You could even decide to filter it a little bit more if you want really pure clean water. If there is anything in the water, your nail polishes might not spread as nicely, but then again, it's totally up to you if you want to go through that extra step. I didn't. I just boiled it, let it cool down and just use it in my little glass bowl. So you just want to dribble in your nail polishes. You might want to work pretty fast for this, because even though I am using quick dry polishes, you want to work quick with any type of nail polish, whether it's a regular nail polish or a quick dry, because in the water, H2O, O is oxygen, nail polishes tend to dry even faster on top of water because of the oxygen in the water, so you want to work pretty quickly. Then with a regular sewing needle, how do you say that? Sewing, I think. You want to make a little design in there. You can do whatever you want to. I never really go for the traditional heart-shaped or wavy shaped kind of shapes in there. I just want to go in with my needle and just do whatever. Then you want to dunk in your finger, or at least your nail. Keep it in there for a couple of seconds, and what I like to do is just blow on top of the surface of the water, just to make sure that the nail polish dries even faster. And I am going to remove all of the excess polish from the water with a little Q-tip. So again, you don't need any special nail art tools or anything like that, just some random stuff you probably already have lying around the house. You could also use an orange wood stick to remove any excess from the water. You could use a dotting tool or anything, even a toothpick, to make the design into the bullseye you just made. So yeah, it's totally up to you what works best for you. Then you want to remove your tape. Here I am using a little brush to clean up around the edges, but you can use a Q-tip as well. You don't need to use a brush. That's just something I really like to do, but I'm just going to clean this up even further off camera, because that was more handy for me personally. But as you can see, there really isn't much to clean up, and I just used regular household tape. You don't need anything special. You could go in with liquid latex, but I really dislike the smell, and I know that there are a lot of people who are allergic to latex, so you could always just use some regular tape. And after your manicure has dried for 2 minutes or something, you want to go in with your top coat to fully encapsulate your design and make sure it lasts for a longer period of time, of course capping off the edge as well. So yeah, it is really easy. You don't need special nail art skills or tools to do something like this. As you can see on my pointer finger, I messed that one up a little bit because I removed my tape too quickly. Like the polish wasn't completely dry, and unfortunately a little bit of the tape got stuck in my nail polish, so that's why my pointer fingernail is a little bit budged, but that was totally fine with me. Sometimes things like that happen and you just have to deal with it. You could of course redo the entire nail if you want to, but I didn't feel like it. Usually with water marbles, I like to dunk in 5 nails at a time. If you want to know how I do that, I have a previous video I uploaded like a couple of months ago, which is my spring water marble design. So if you want to check that out, you are totally welcome to do so. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. I really hope you liked it, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.